I'm Bobby.
I'm Tina.
I'm Sandy.
Hi, I'm Amanda Owen. Today we're going to be talking about More Than Man's Best Friend, the pug. Margot Kaufman said that a pug is living proof that God has a sense of humor, which couldn't be more of the truth. Growing up, I always had large dogs and always saw myself having large dogs until I met a little pug. At the time, his name was Rocky, but we soon changed that to Frank. It was the only dog that my husband would let me have at the time since we lived in a small house. Today we're going to be talking about the origin and history of pugs, a pug's personality, and some of the issues that they have with their health. Pugs are an ancient breed of dog that have roots dating back to 400 BC. Most historians agree that the breed originated in China, where they were bred as companion animals for the wealthy. Their popularity spread through China, Japan, and then on into Russia, and eventually made their way to Europe. They were bred as a lap dog. They're small, sturdy, and minimal exercise need. Which meant that they made great house pets. Many monarchs kept dogs, including Queen Victoria of England, Prince William the Silent of Holland, who actually credited his dog with saving his life whenever he alerted him to an oncoming attack. The aunt of Catherine the Great of Russia even kept herd of pugs and took them to church with her. There was actually a society called the Order of the Pug because the Catholic Church would not allow members to be part of the Freemasons. They formed the Order of the Pug in 1740 as a covert form of the Freemasons. They chose the pug as their symbol because the pug was loyal and had a lot of trustworthiness. Part of their initiation was actually to wear a collar and scratch at the door. The pug's breed motto is multum in parvo, which means a lot of dog in a small animal, which is very true. Breeds, like the pug, are very playful, very friendly. They are good with children. They are devoted, extremely stubborn, and sleepy. Pugs actually sleep 16 to 18 hours a day, which makes them good house dogs. Along with pugs' personalities, you also need to understand the health issues that you are coming in contact with whenever you have them. They are very prone to skin problems due to the folds in their skin. They have a lot of infections, such as ear infections and infections of the folds. They have breathing problems, which can often lead to nasal surgery for dogs. And they have a huge problem with heat intolerance and changes in temperature. Everybody should know about the issues that they are adopting whenever they adopt one of these animals. You don't need to be caught by surprise. Here are the references that I used, and here are the photo credits.